Welcome! By the end of the year, I will have graduated from college. They will have studied by 6.
As you can see, today we will focus on the future perfect. Let's begin. Your Language Studio presents YLS Tutorials with Jane Davis and Jack Brown, English coaches. Before we start, please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Let's begin.
The band will have stopped playing by midnight.
The meeting won't have ended by 10.
By 6, Henry will have finished work.
The mechanic won't have fixed the cars by Monday.
The children will have completed their task by recess. As you can see, we use the future perfect to talk about actions which will finish before a certain time in the future. For example, the band will have stopped playing by midnight.
Pay attention to the time expressions and the verb forms used. The mechanic won't have fixed the car by Monday.
Now practice using the future perfect.
Thanks for watching. See you in our next tutorial. Bye!